go off the record. Mr. Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you keep leaving the Zoom meeting.
I'm here now, Your Honor. I talked to Mr. Smith. He says he would prefer to represent himself. So if I could, I would be sucking chair with him. He says it's too complex for me to understand, but I would still agree to be sucking chair for him.
Okay. Well, I don't believe that Mr. Smith is able to represent himself, counsel. So I'm not going to have him represent himself.
Very well, Your Honor.
They're looking to bring doctors into the situation. I don't need doctors. You don't need the people don't need to spend the money on a big court cost because they need a psychological evaluation, whether you order it or not. I don't think it's very feasible.
Okay. Well, thank you for your opinion on that, sir. Mr. Taylor?
Yes.
All right, we're going to go on the record of the matter of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Smith, 231353. And
Does this have anything to do with the military?
Hold on, sir. Just one moment. Mr. Taylor, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, 57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, would you introduce yourself to the court, please?
Excuse me, I can't hear you that well.
Would you introduce yourself to the court, Mr.
Oh,
Smith?
my name is Kevin Francis Smith.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Taylor, please, if you can stop walking around and just stay in one spot. Thank you.
Very well. Thank you.
Today's the date scheduled for a probable cause conference in this matter. And counsel, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Smith, correct?
I did.
Would you like me to state my name again so you can hear it? No, nobody's talking.
You sure can. You sure
I'd love
can.
to say it when nobody's talking. My name is Kevin Francis. My name is Kevin Francis Smith. I was born.
No, don't put your social security number on. We
Oh,
don't need your social security number.
you're not concerned about it that I worked or not? Because I'm not working now.
Sir, I will get to that in a moment, but I don't want all of your identifying information placed on the record or live stream. So that's why I stopped.
Don't I have a right to state a statement without people interrupting? Or that doesn't matter? I don't know. You would know. You're a judge, right?
Sir, I'm going to indicate that you don't have a right to that. However,
well, may I just at least make my statement so you can follow through the way you should? Or you just cut me off for a reason? Do you have a personal vendetta against me or something?
No, sir, I do not. Feel free to speak away. Go right ahead.
My name is Kevin.
I don't
You guys
want
are real bad at what you do. I need to get someone else.
Sir, hold on just one moment, sir.
Let me just finish. Why can't I just finish?
Because I'm interrupting you, so you're not putting your personal identifying information.
I would like to. That's my right. It's my own information. I can put it out there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
My name is Kevin Francis Smith.
Thank you. Your Honor, we would like to place this for in-person exam.
Okay. You don't have any other requests, counsel?
I beg your pardon?
You don't have any other requests?
No, we just want an in-person exam, Your Honor.
Do you think Mr. Smith is competent to stand trial? Or do you think he needs to be evaluated?
I think maybe he could be evaluated. That might be a good idea, Your Honor.
I think I would need lunch. My toenails just fell off because I came through chemicals. My feet are all peeling. My teeth aren't right. I'm underfed.
Mr. Smith, we're trying to get you some help. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, but I don't need a psychological evaluation. I need an MD, I don't need to give blood. I don't need to have blood tested. I don't need any kind of added expense. This could be very expensive for people, you know.
Your Honor, ma'am.
This is about.
This is Deputy Dwayne Provenci. The defendant is housed on the mental health ward on the 4th floor. He is receiving treatment.
Right behind the bars, metal bars.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to indicate that the probable cause conference is held Counsel, if you can submit the paperwork, for the referral,
Actually, they're steel bars.
okay?
Very well, Your Honor, I will.
So for a psych eval and criminal, you want psych eval and,
Your Honor,
your
did you know my
competency?
Jeep was run off the road? They're stealing my cars on me.
Hold on, sir, hold on, you didn't want me to interrupt you? Please do not interrupt me, just one moment,
Of
okay?
course, go ahead, Your Honor.
Mr. Smith, I'm sorry, Mr. Taylor, are you asking for competency and criminal responsibility?
I believe so, yes, that would be good, Your Honor.
Do they know who the criminal is?
All right, sir, as of now, you're the one that's charged with this matter, and
Is the charge piracy?
piracy? No, it's stolen property and habitual offender second offense notice.
What did they steal from me?
Sir, it's alleged that you stole property, and I will tell you what it is. It's alleged that you stole a box truck from,
And the maker of that truck is Mac. Do you know I may be the owner of Mac Corporation? And he
No,
stole
sir,
the
but
truck
it is-
from me?
it's alleged that you stole it from Dillard Frozen Foods in Fort Wayne,
That's not
Indiana.
who we're talking about Mac. What about Mac Corporation? Is there a representative for him that will take responsibility on who made that truck? The design of that truck?
Well, as of now, they are not here, sir. So, but we're going to, and I'm going to indicate bond and conditions are
Can we
continued.
get
to
a
refer-
continuance?
Oh, we're gonna get continuance, sir. Yes, we are. Bond and conditions are continued. You're referred for competency evaluation, criminal responsibility. The court will sign that order upon receipt. Thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you,
day.
Thank you.
Matter of the city of Wyandotte, Mercedes, Brownlee, 231388. And appearance, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Going to be after my client. It's time to be sent to the matter being heard via Zoom. As to the arraignment, we wait for reading. My client stands to be.
All right, Mr. Brownlee, your name, please.
David William Brownlee, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And, the court's going to waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purpose of the arraignment. Schedule this matter for a pretrial on September 19th. At 9 a.m. And counsel as to bond.
Your Honor, yes, my client indicates that he will appear at any all future court dates. And on one housekeeping issue, there are 3 people being arraigned today. I did speak to each one individual. But Ms. Brownlee, do you consent to me handling your arraignment, knowing that I'll be handling your 2 roommates' arraignments as well?
Mr. Brownlee, did you hear Mr. Shepke?
I'm sorry?
Did you hear your attorney's question to you?
No, I did not, ma'am.
Sir, do you have any problem with me arraigning you, knowing that I'm going to be arraigning your other 2 co-defendants?
Oh, no, sir.
Judge, my client was gainfully employed at Burger King. However, he is residing at home with one of his co-defendants. Right now, he has 2 children, ages 14 and 15. He's doing a series of home repairs. In the meantime, he indicates that he will appear at any all future court dates. On a positive note, he graduated high school in 2002 and has 1 year of college credits at Henry Ford. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Brownlee, when's the last time you were employed?
February, ma'am.
February?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so how are you supporting yourself and your children if you haven't been working since February?
My significant other, Hillary Turner, she is currently working for us as a manager at Burger King. I've been working on our house due diligently.
So the answer to the question, how do you support yourself and your 2 children? Hillary supporting yourself and the 2 children?
My significant other currently is working for us in the household here right now.
Why aren't you working, sir?
I'm doing major home repair on our house. We just got a house in Wyandotte about 7 months ago. I'm working on getting our house up to code.
And did did you just have a matter here in this court back in November?
No, ma'am.
No? You had a lot of contacts with the criminal justice system. You're not currently on probation for the 25th District Court?
No, ma'am.
And is the reason why you lost your job because you were in jail for your matter out of Lincoln Park?
And I didn't lose my job. I'm the highest with my job. I can go back to work.
And sir, if you were to test today, what would be detected in your system?
I'm sorry?
If you were to test today, what would be detected in your system?
I don't have anything in my system. I can test clean.
All right, well, you failed to appear in 18th District Court. What's that matter for?
What city is that? Oh, Westland?
Westland.
I owe a ticket on it. I owe $200 for a ticket from a case from 2021. I already got the criminal matter cleared.
When did you buy the house? When did you buy the home?
The home was given to my significant other, Hillary Turner, a little bit over a year ago, and the title was switched over. So I've been working on updating the kitchen and the electrical and the plumbing of the house. I just now got to the kitchen, and we seem to have ran into a snag for getting a CFO occupancy. I just discovered this last night.
And what did you discover last night?
That if my kitchen is torn down, I'm not allowed to live there. This whole thing here is overhead.
Sir, do you have any power to the home?
I'm sorry?
Is there any power running to the home?
Of course.
Okay. Is there any power other than the extension cord?
Yes, all the power is working.
So the home was given to Ms. Turner?
Yes, ma'am.
And do your children live with you?
No, ma'am.
Where do they live?
One lives in Riverview, one lives in Sault Ste. Marie, ma'am.
And do you have regular parenting time with them?
Sorry?
Do you have regular parenting time with them?
The other weekend.
I'm sorry?
The other weekend?
Every other weekend?
Yes, ma'am.
And you bring do you have parenting time with both children or just the local one?
The one in Riverview, normally I go take to my parents' house, and the one up in Sault Ste. Marie, I will go up and visit.
All right, given the nature of these charges, the fact that there is a warrant out for your client's arrest, and given the fact that it appears as though for the police report, the home has been stickered as not habitable, and so I don't know where Mr. Brownlee is going to be residing after.
I would be going to my parents' house.
I'm sorry, sir. Please don't
I would be
interrupt.
going. Yes, ma'am.
The court's going to indicate a $10,000, 10% bond. In the event you post bond, GPS tether. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. Thank you.
What you just witnessed wasn't a simple day in court. It was a window into the complex, often messy reality of how the justice system handles defendants who may not fully understand the proceedings unfolding around them. In the case of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Smith, the court faced an immediate and pressing question. Was this man even competent to stand trial? From the moment Kevin Smith took the floor, insisting on stating his identity, questioning whether he might own the very corporation that manufactured the truck he allegedly stole, and dismissing the need for a psychological evaluation while citing peeling feet and falling toenails, the judge and defense counsel had their answer. The court ordered a full competency and criminal responsibility evaluation, pausing the proceedings until that critical determination could be made. It was a measured, necessary response to a chaotic situation. Then came the arraignment of David Brownlee, A man facing new charges while already navigating prior criminal matters. A home deemed uninhabitable by authorities, children living in separate cities, and a household held together by his partner's Burger King paycheck. The judge set a $10,000 bond with a GP's tether, making clear that accountability would follow him out of that courtroom. Two very different men. Two very different circumstances. But one common thread. The court doing its job, asking hard questions, and demanding answers. That's what real justice looks like. Not polished, not perfect, but persistent. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns, because justice never gets old.